Hello everybody, it's Verona Pentany. I'm a poet and spiritual songwriter from Ireland, and tonight I'm going to read you one of my own poems from the reflection series Reflections of Time, called Grandfather Clock. If anybody would like to purchase, just visit my website on www.veronapentany.com, where the books are €15 each and they can be posted anywhere in the world. Thank you. Grandfather Clock. In my hand lies the remnants of a tiny infant boot, embroidered with love many years ago. I ponder, where have the years gone to? Just yesterday I was a child. Today that forgotten child still survives within. Oh, value the essence of time. Water dripping from the drain pipe, traffic fleeting past, rain tapping on the window pane. Oh, precious time, reflections of what if, and if only. Back then time seemed endless. Now looking back, time was lost. Hands on the clock racing forward, dreams that start in the morrow, trapped in situations beyond our control, deadlocked in self-created ruts, stagnant for fear of reprisals from those held dear. An outsider can see it all. Clock stopped, alone, feeling isolated. Time seems forever. When tragedy strikes, time suddenly becomes priceless. Life is like a merry-go-round, one moment feeling elated and the next despair. Thank you for sharing reflection with me tonight, and I look forward to sharing with you in the future. Take care and stay safe.